What's up, my dudes? Welcome. Oh, whoops. What's up, my dudes? Welcome to the vlog. If you can't tell, we're using the new camera. We got the, sorry guys, it's hot and humid. And I just had to carry this 36-pound box back. Let me put the camera down. Alright guys, so what's up? Welcome to the vlog. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you would know a couple, I'd say about it was 45 days ago actually. The supplement company reached out to me and they were sending me some things, and it came in today and I couldn't be more excited. So, I know I'm like dripping sweat, but this is it. It is 34.2 pounds. Alright, hope you guys don't mind the sweat, because I'm too excited to wait to do this. So let's check this out. I've obviously already opened it, gone through it, but you know, I didn't go through like the full thing. This is like, so the company is ProSupps. You probably know them from their products like Mr. Jekyll and, or I'm sorry, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. There's so much stuff in this box. At level? Is it level? New camera, so work with me. Yo, look at these! They're like little travel size. How adorable. Like I said, guys, I can't even express how this makes me feel and express my love for the company. I was already using them. I'm sure I've had them in my past videos. This isn't sponsored. I'm not sponsored. They were just reaching out, trying to do something for military members. And you know, we got back and forth with each other. And so it's a huge shout out to their social media person. I'm sorry I don't know her title. Brittany Bagwell or Badwell, please excuse me. I'll put that on the screen right now, but this is insane. So this is for me and the guys that are in my unit. I'm gonna try to get them to get together to get a picture. Might be kind of hard, but I'll do what I can. Look at all this stuff, dude. Look at this. I can't even express how I feel. They're not sponsoring me or anything, but I could only hope that down the road it could be a possibility to work with a great company like ProSupps. Wow. Wow. Flavor of the day. Cherry limeade. Never had it.
It's not.
See what it's
Don't worry, you're not gonna get
oh,
that.
and
No, it's owned by
supporting ProSupps already.
Valve is the company that owns Steam.
Ooh, it's super powdery, dude.
Well, it is powder.
Yeah, but like the regular flavors aren't. Alright, he's just trying to ruin my video.
That's snorted there.
Nah, dude.
How many of your games are like?
Oh, wait.
Cheers to cherry limeade. Let's see how it is. It's probably not the best way to taste test this.
Mine is the underscore on edge.
No? Forget.
Fuck, dude.
Oh, wait.
Don't recommend concentrated. Very limeade-y. Alright.
Oh, man.
They're getting annoyed at me recording.
That's the edge.
Time to go hit the gym!
Just exit.